Today I'm going to be reviewing the Ultra Snow Goggles from Outdoormaster. The brand were kind enough to send me a product to test out, so thanks to them, and let's get into it. So in terms of what's included, we've got the protective case which will beef out when I put the goggles in. I've got the ultra fog free ski goggles, and then I've got a spare lens as well. Both of these are in a microfiber pouch which doubles up as a cleaning cloth as well for the goggles. Look at that. Of all the different bundle options, I went with the Sunny plus the Storm Night option, which, picking out the 19% VLT Revo blue lens, I'm using that now, and the 90% VLT clear lens. So the goggles come with a color optimization technology that's designed to give a high definition by boosting the contrast on the snow, especially in the low light conditions, and we've got lots of that at Revelstoke. Next, there is the ultra anti-fog coating that should triple reinforce the fog-free performance compared to the normal lenses. Now, Revelstoke has got a lot of moisture, and so far I think the absorption of these goggles has been pretty strong. As for the ventilation, it's been good also. I did pop into the warming hut briefly and it did steam up immediately. It's probably just the change in temperatures though, but so far so good on that front. So this is a toric lens that combines low distortion and a wide field of view from different lenses. 100% UV protection, and can even be worn over some glasses. And the biggest feature of all is the magnetic frame that allows you to change your lenses in a short amount of time. That is a very strong magnet. I've got to say, I am absolutely blown away by the contrast between the two lenses. This has made a world of difference for me skiing in the low light of Revelstoke. I mean, the visibility right now is only down to about 10 meters, and up until using these lenses, these goggles, when I'd been skiing down here, I'd really been quite cautious, wasn't feeling 100% when I was going down, and you know, wanted to really go within myself. But with this now, I'm a lot more confident being able to see what's in front of me. Let's talk pricing. At the time of filming, these goggles are on sale for $109.99 US. I think compared to a lot of the high-end brands, this is an absolute bargain. If you are interested in buying these goggles, there is a link in the description of the video below. If you click through that link and use the promo code MATT10, that's MATT10, that will give you an additional 10% off the online price there. Using that link there, it's an affiliate link, so a little bit of that money comes back to me if you buy through that, so you're supporting the channel in doing so. Anyone who does, thank you very much. Final thoughts from me: I've really enjoyed testing out the Ultra Snow Goggles. I think more and more we are seeing a lot of brands that are building good quality products at affordable pricing, but I want to know what your thoughts thoughts are on the goggles. If you've bought a set yourself, let me know in the comments. Would you buy it? Tell me all. If you want to keep up to date with more videos like this, hit the notification button to stay up to date, and I'll see you in the next video.